Hi, it's Dr. Elisha Van Dusen at New Hope Chiropractic. Between pollution, seasonal allergies, and creepy crawly critters outside, a lot of us would prefer staying inside as often as possible instead of going outside. But if you thought you're breathing better air inside, I hate to break it to you, but indoor air pollution can be up to 10 times worse than what you're actually inhaling outside. A lot of us think that pollution is factory smoke or car exhaust is the only thing there is in terms of pollution, but indoor air pollution means our homes are loaded with it too, and often at levels that are significantly higher than what you'd actually find outside. Inadequate ventilation, paints, chemicals from household or personal products, cleaners, and also mold all contribute to indoor air contamination. So if you need to get a breath of fresh air, you should really just go outside. So some things you can do are soak up vitamin D. One of the most common deficiencies among American adults is a vitamin D deficiency. And what makes the vitamin different from most of the ones we need is that our bodies actually produce most of the vitamin D we need instead of relying on the foods we eat to supply it. Our bodies convert the sunshine that we soak up outside into chemicals that turn into vitamin D. And if we don't get outdoors enough, our body struggles to get enough sunshine to make vitamin D. So whenever possible, try to get at least 10 to 15 minutes of unprotected time in the sun outdoors each day, and then reap the health benefits of that, and it'll go a long way. Also, you can counteract seasonal affective disorder or SAD. It's a type of depression that strikes in early autumn and then worsens in the winter. A lot of researchers aren't quite sure what it's caused by exactly, but a lack of light and vitamin D is suspected to play a big role. Even if you don't have SAD, a lack of natural light during cooler weather can really affect your mood. So you can mitigate the effects and increase your vitamin D intake at the same time by just going outside. Also, you should just go out in the forest as well if you have trees nearby. It doesn't involve an outdoor shower in the forest or anything like that. It's like camping, but forest bathing or forest therapy is based on the Japanese concept of Shinrin-yoku, which emphasizes spending time away from the hustle and bustle of cities and also just embracing nature. So the Japanese are really onto something here, I think, because getting into nature can boost activity of a type of white blood cell that helps fight infection and tumor cells. It also helps lower blood pressure, reduces stress. And these are all things that we can use. All of us can use these. Also, ease anxiety. If you're feeling anxious about something, taking a stroll outside can help. And a lot of research has pointed to the fact that just being outdoors in nature can improve your overall feelings of well-being and reduce anxiety. Also, if you go outdoors, it can also boost your creativity. It's the reason why walking meetings, for example, are becoming more popular. And then also spend some time grounding yourself. It's also called earthing, and it's a way of connecting to the earth's energy. Going barefoot, our feet draw in the earth's electrical charges, which allow them to flow through us. And the results are improved sleep, reduced inflammation, and more time in nature. These are all really good things. And of course, you need to be outside to connect with the earth. Carpet and hardwood floors just really don't have the same effect. So some ways you can be outside more is to just exercise outside. If you do yoga or you have a treadmill or an exercise bike, just take it outside, or just walk around the park or jog in the park. Also, eating outside is nice if you have an outdoor space, a patio or balcony where you can be outside partially. Try eating out there if weather permits, or just go to a local park and have a picnic. So hope all these things help. And again, we live our lives through our nervous system. So if you haven't been checked by a chiropractor for a long time, it's time to get a chiropractic checkup and maybe get some adjustments to make sure that your nervous system is running at peak potential. And with this, you can always check us out at newhopechiropractic.com to find out more or book an appointment, and have a healthy day.